Imagine you got diagnosed tomorrow, not with something terrible, just an answer, a name for whatever has been happening to your body. How much would your life change? Most people assume a diagnosis is a bad news. Sometimes it is. But if you have gone years without one, real years, here is something almost nobody says out loud. A diagnosis is a relief. Because most of the time, it isn't the illness itself that wrecks your life. It's the not knowing. It's waking up every day negotiating with a body that won't explain itself. While everyone around you, including your doctors, slowly runs out of ideas. Once you finally know what's wrong, you can actually start a treatment, a plan, the guessing stops. So here's the question this whole video is built around. What if you could figure out what's actually going on faster than the system is currently built to let you? I am not going to hand you a wellness checklist and wish you luck. This is our roadmap. We will go through why people stay undiagnosed for years, the real reasons, the structural ones. Then, what you can actually do about it. Then, how to do it step by step. And last, why the thing that used to take me thousands of hours of self-research is now something you can do from your pocket at your fingertips. By the end, you will have a concrete, data-driven path toward the answer you have been chasing.